Training, for those of you who do not know, is also a tax write-off. You're investing in yourself. You're investing in your business. Hey, everybody, welcome. So today we're talking about, I cannot afford notary training. I cannot afford notary training. If I had $1 for every time I hear that, but yet I'm in Facebook groups and I'm watching people make these mistakes, again, trying to help each other under the pretense of, I can't afford notary training. That is not going to work, guys. You want to do these long signings. You want to work for signing companies, and you do not know what to do. That is a negative. That is a no-go, okay? So you must pay for notary training. You must. And right now, again, I'm offering, it's $39.99. Someone said, well, hey, is that price going to be the same? I can't guarantee what the price is going to be next week, next year. But I can tell you at the time of this video, it's only $39.99. You have complete access. And the program could change a little bit later as I continue to see what people are needing. Because some people want to just come and pay $39.99 for access to all of my courses. I'm not mad at you, because I've had a few people ask me that. Well, Kimmi, is it okay if I just pay $39.99 and watch all of your courses, but I don't come to the coaching sessions? Because some people don't like the live part of it. Now, I couldn't imagine why you don't like the live part, because that's when you have a chance to ask me questions and to get all of your real help. But some people don't. They're shy, you know, whatever reason. They don't like the live coaching part of it. Yes, you're not cheating me. I don't feel hurt if you take advantage and do the $39.99 just to watch the trainings. I'm not mad at that, okay? I'm functioning kind of like a Netflix over here now. So I'm not upset. Some people still prefer, you know what, I don't want to even do all of that. I want my one course, and that's the only thing I want to buy. Someone asked me the other day, can I still do a la carte? They wanted to know, can they still just buy the ink fingerprinting course and the I-9 course? Yes, you can. You can just buy those separately. So that's still an option. I have not removed it. However, now you have access to everything. So completely up to you what you want to do. But we've made training affordable. I'm proud of the programs that we have here at Notary Educators. I was not going to roll out a mentorship program that I couldn't put my name on. You guys know how we do. I've been here for over 4 years, almost 4 now, going into 5. So I'm not going to put my name on something or just sell something, even because you asked for it. I've had people asking me to mentor from day one, from my very first YouTube video. And I was like, no, I don't offer mentorship. No, I don't offer mentorship. No, 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 no. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Because I couldn't come up with a program that was going to work for you to get the most that you need, as well as for me to be able to effectively teach you, you know. So now I came up with this. I'm gonna get this question from Keith, and I'm gonna explain how I want you to use the Business Success Coaching Program, how it actually works. Okay, I'm gonna go over that. So Keith is saying, hey Kimmi, hey Keith, how long is this offer, and how do one join? Oh, great question. NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. NotaryEducatorsLLC.com is how you join. It's on the front page, actually. And then the program is going on forever. This is not going away. Again, it may go up in price eventually. You know, things do change. But right, and I'm not threatening you. So this is not a buy today, it's going to go up tomorrow. It's nothing like that. But I'm just saying I can't guarantee you next year it's still going to be $39.99. But at the time of this recording, it is. So it's $39.99. You can join anytime you want to. We've actually been meeting since July. I typically don't date my videos. That's a YouTube thing. So this is September. So we've had many sessions, but you can go back and watch the replay. And it's not that you can't kind of catch up where we are, because you can go back and watch the replays, and then we will, as we continue to grow in our knowledge, like we're getting ready to start working on copy certifications. If you don't know how to do that, your state may or may not even allow that, but there are several different ways you can do it. So anything we teach, I teach all 50 states. I'm always very, very, very much aware that I'm in one state and you're in another state. But as you will learn as a notary, all of your documents do not come from your one state. Your documents are going to be coming from all over the world. What other questions may I answer for you all as I describe what the program, how I would like you to use it? So what I would like for you to do as you're joining the Business Coaching Success Program, I would like you to watch the videos in order. For example, Notarize Like a Pro. You will learn how to properly notarize your documents, how to do acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath right. Then I want you to go to the next one about estate planning. I would like you to watch that. As you're watching these videos that I've pre-recorded with the training that you need, no fluff, then you can come out of the training and shoot me a chat or an email, whatever. Hey, Kimmi, this is still not clear. Or we'll talk about it. We have our weekly sessions. Every week during a session, I do a little training, at least 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to try to reduce that a little bit because I want to get a little bit deeper into businesses. So I realized that even last night after our session, which was amazing. So I talked about, probably 40 minutes, not talk, but we do mock trainings also. So last night we did customer service. So we did role playing with customer service. How do you handle this situation? What should you say in this situation? How do you even answer the phone? So we talked about things like that. So it's an excellent program, I'm telling you. Charlotte says, hey, Kimmi, I'm in your program. I love it. Thank you. Hey, Charlotte. Yes, Charlotte is in the program. So thank you, Charlotte. I appreciate you saying that. And don't forget to leave me a review, Charlotte, on Gumroad if you have not. I appreciate it, please. So let me say this. I will push back with people that come to the sessions because I want you to kind of come on camera because it's so interactive. So I want to be able to say, hey, Charlotte, what about ABC? And if the person is not on camera, then I don't know if you're actually available or not. Thank you, Charlotte. I appreciate it. So sometimes that's where I may push back and say, hey, can you come off the camera so I can see if you're actually available to participate? Because that's how you're going to really grow your business. So what are some of the results the students are having? What are some of the results? People are already doing deeds, power of attorneys, learning how to price, buying their supplies. I mean, I'm seeing the growth in the group. And it's a little touching, actually, to know that you had a part to, part. Now, this ain't my first rodeo. I've been teaching for like 4 years, okay? This is the first time I wrote out this program, so I didn't know what it would look like, right? I'm like, can I really deliver what the people need? And I must admit, I enjoy what I do. So it's giving me an outlet, the program, to be even able to go deeper, okay? So I can tell you how to acknowledge, do an acknowledgement, however, but when I'm able to go deeper into why it's so important, even customer service last night, I started out with one slide. It only was one slide. It had 5 or 6 points on it. As we got to talking about customer service, so I realized, I was like, is it really all of that? I even asked the students last night, I was like, did you guys know it was that much involved with customer service? However, I can bring you that based on my experience, and you have your life experience. So by the time you bring what you have to the table, if you've been in customer service too, and you add your points to the conversation, it was really amazing yesterday. So I know for a fact that what we learned and what we talked about is going to help people have greater confidence. And when you have that confidence, now you can go out there and ask those higher prices that we talk about. Now we can talk about the money. I'm not on here talking about, you can make $100 an appointment or $175, $200, because I already know if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to get that. If you don't know what you're doing. Now, if you learn and let me teach you and you know what to do, then yes, now we can start asking those higher dollar amounts because you're going to feel confident to ask it too. And the person that I was talking about that reached out to me yesterday, I knew they wasn't confident, period, because they would have never even offered that price to the client. So she's like, I know I need your training. Please help me. And I'm all for a good sob story, guys. I'll tell you the truth. I need help, Kimmi. I'm on this appointment. I'm stuck. I got you.